Hi, my name is Adam. This video is not just about fitness, not just about gym, and not even about muscles. This video is about losing everything you worked for and still choosing to stand up again. I started my workout journey in 2024. At that time, I was not strong, not confident, and honestly, I did not even know what I was doing. I just knew I didn't want to stay the same person anymore. I was tired of feeling average, tired of feeling weak, and tired of looking in the mirror without pride. So I stepped into the gym with no guarantee that anything would change, but with one small decision that I would try every day. Slowly, the gym stopped being a place and became my routine. Then it became discipline. Then it became identity. Every workout taught me patience. Every failure taught me consistency, and every small improvement gave me a reason to continue. I learned that transformation does not come from motivation. It comes from repetition. The days I did not feel like going were the days that mattered the most. Over time, my body started changing, but more importantly, my mind started changing. I became calmer, more focused, and more confident in life outside the gym as well. The iron was not just building muscle, it was building character. In July 2025, I became a trainer. That moment meant a lot to me because I went from being someone searching for guidance to someone giving guidance. People trusted me with their goals, their health, and their confidence. That responsibility changed the way I looked at fitness. It was no longer only about my progress. It was about becoming an example. From early 2025, my consistency was perfect. No breaks, no excuses, and diet completely on point. I followed routine like a rule of life. I trained every week. I ate properly. I slept properly, and my strength kept increasing. I reached my peak strength. I was squatting 100 kilograms, deadlifting 100 kilograms, bench pressing 60 kilograms, and pushing 200 kilograms on leg press. I moved from 54 kilograms body weight to 63 kilograms, and for the first time, I looked in the mirror and felt proud without doubting myself. It was not arrogance, it was satisfaction. I felt in control of my life. For 1.5 years, I built myself piece by piece. Every day was proof that discipline works. Every day, I felt closer to my best version. Then July came, and everything changed in a way I never expected. I got diagnosed with TB. In one moment, the life I structured collapsed. I went from planning workouts to planning medicines. My treatment lasted 7 months, and the antibiotics were strong. Very strong. My body started reacting differently. Energy disappeared, appetite changed, and recovery stopped. My weight dropped from 63 kilograms to 56 kilograms. As a trainer, I knew exactly what was happening inside my body. I knew muscle breakdown was happening. I knew strength would go away. I knew endurance would fall. Knowing it did not make it easier. It made it harder because I understood every loss in real time. There were days of throat infection, days of vomiting, and days of extreme weakness. Some days I could not even stand properly. Some days I had to stay in bed and watch time pass while feeling my hard work fade away. For someone whose routine was movement, being forced into stillness is mentally exhausting. Because of sickness, I lost my job and financial pressure started building. But honestly, money was not the biggest pain. The biggest pain was watching 1.5 years of discipline disappear in months. I remembered every workout, every heavy set. Every day I pushed when I did not feel like it, and it felt like it was erased. For people, gym may look like lifting weights, but for me it was structure, control, and self-respect. Without it, I felt lost. Still inside my mind, one thought kept repeating daily. When will I go back? Not if, but when. I imagined my return so many times that it became motivation to heal. Medicines were not just treatment, they were steps toward comeback. I promised myself that sickness will pause me, but it will not define me. And now I am back. Today is my first day back after 7 months of treatment. But I will be honest, it feels hard. Very hard. The same body that once squatted 100 kilograms now struggles with 40 kilograms. The same deadlift that was 100 kilograms, now 30 kilograms, feels heavy. My bench press dropped, and even machines feel unfamiliar. My leg press that once moved 200 kilograms now feels like a challenge at low weight. It hurts emotionally because I remember my real strength. But this is not weakness, this is rebuilding. Muscle memory exists and discipline still exists inside me. Strength left my body, but not my mindset. Today I am not here to impress anyone, not here to show power. I am here to restart. My new goal is clear. I will bulk to 70 kilograms, and then cut to 65 kilograms. Before, I was chasing numbers, but now I am chasing growth. I do not train because I want to become a bodybuilder. I train because this process makes me a better human being. The gym teaches patience, teaches humility, and teaches resilience. Losing progress taught me gratitude. Now every rep matters more than before because I understand how easily it can be taken away. The gym is not just iron and machines. It is therapy, discipline, and purpose. Yes, I lost strength. Yes, I lost weight. And yes, I lost money, but I did not lose mindset, and mindset is stronger than any muscle. This comeback is not aggressive. It is calm. It is patient, controlled, and mature. I am not racing anyone. I am rebuilding myself step by step. One day I will stand again in my best shape, and it will mean more than before because this time it comes after loss. Not because life was easy, but because I returned when it was difficult. If you are watching this while going through health problems, failure, or setbacks, remember stopping can be forced, but quitting is always a decision. I am choosing not to quit. From today, I start again, one rep at a time, one meal at a time, and one disciplined day at a time. This is my comeback, and this time it is personal.